Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Etrex 10 with 2 fresh AA batteries and closing the door firmly. This prevents intermittent power loss. Once on, set language, time zone, and unit so distances and bearings read correctly. Then take the unit outside with a clear sky and hold still. Satellites take about 2 to 5 minutes to lock. Wait for multiple satellite bars before moving. A strong fix keeps tracks accurate and prevents navigation drift later on. Now you'll create and use waypoints to navigate. Mark your current location with menu, then mark waypoint, edit the name so it's recognizable, and save. To travel, open Where To, pick that waypoint or a POI, and press go. The unit shows bearing and distance on the map page. Turn on track recording and auto archive so you have a breadcrumb trail. If you need to return, use backtrack or follow the recorded track. This is simple and prevents directional confusion. To finish, stop and save your active track and mark a final waypoint so you don't lose that endpoint. Review saved waypoints and tracks in the data pages and power down by holding the power button briefly to protect data. If something goes wrong, no fix, erratic position, or blank map, first check battery voltage and replace cells, then move to an open area away from buildings or trees. If issues persist, perform a soft reset or reload defaults. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.